I'm here with Joan after a cracking performance for Aberystwyth Town. Talk us through your goal.
Well, obviously the ball's come over from Cledden and the defender stood off me. So I've just thought he's on a yellow card already. I was going to try and run in and commit him, see if he's going to tackle me. He stood off me. So I've just come inside and let a shot go, and thankfully he's gone in the bottom corner.
So it's a very hard match today with suspensions and injuries. How hard is it on the squad when you've got to rotate?
Yeah, well, you look at it, we had 13 players today. One of them's our assistant manager as well, so we got 12 players. It's always hard there, especially in games like that. Cefn Druids, they go to the end. They're a physical team, so it does take it out of you. And thankfully, none of the boys got injured today. We've come through it fine, and we look forward now to TNS next week.
And 2 cracking goals by Lenners.
Yeah.
What's it like having play for you?
Well, it just gives us a massive relief, you know. If you can come up, obviously we've just come 1-1, and then he puts another ball in the net instantly straight away. It takes a big chunk of relief off the team and puts us 2-1 up and puts us back on the front foot then to go and get the 3 points.
So next week TNS away, they've just won 5-0 with 10 men.
Yeah, you know, we've got to be confident. We're in good form at the moment. Obviously, we're second in the league at the moment. I'm hoping that we can go there and we can get something from there. We've got some boys coming back now. Jeff Kellaway from suspension, Craig Williams from suspension. Hopefully 1 or 2 of the boys will come back from injuries as well. And we'll go there with a good squad and we'll have a positive attitude. Hopefully we can get some results.